Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about the bedroom designs, living bedroom designs ideas. Whether you are moving into a new apartment or just looking to spruce up your correct space, I have got you covered. In this video I am going to share some of my favorite bedrooms designs, tips and ideas that are sure to inspire you. So let's get started. Choose a color scheme. The first step is designing your bedroom. You want to select colors that make you feel calm and relaxed. Since the bedroom is a place for rest and relaxation, some popular color schemes include cool blushes, soft green and new natural grays. Once you have selected your color scheme, you can begin to incorporating it into your beddings, curtains and decor. Maximize your space. If you have a small bedroom, it's important to make the most of your space. One way to do this is by selecting furniture that is multifunctional, such as a bed with built-in storage or a nightstand that doubles as a desk. You can also use vertical space by adding shelves or hanging storage solution. Add personal touches. Your bedroom should be a reflection of your personality and style. One way to add personal touches is by incorporating artwork or photograph that special meaning to you. You can also add decoration pillows, throws or rugs that showcase your favorite color and apartment. Layer lighting is an important element in any bedroom design. In addition to overhead lighting, scenes also incorporate task lighting such as reading lamps or bedside table lamps. You can also add ambience with candles or string light. Do not forget the details. Finally, it's the little details that can really make a bedroom feel complete. Consider adding plants for a touch of greenery or adding a decorative tray to organize your bedside. In general, you can also incorporating textures with cozy blanket or curtains with interesting pattern. And there you have it, my top bedroom designs, tips and ideas. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in the comments below which tip was your favorite, and do not forget to my channel for more designs inspiration.